Hi guys, I'm Jagvishini and today I'm back with another of my midnight cravings recipes. Now, why I call these midnight cravings recipes? Because I am a night owl. I stay up quite late into the night, and when I do, which is almost every other day, who am I kidding? Which is almost every day, I crave something really indulgent to eat. Now, I know that this is a really unhealthy habit to have, but a girl's got to have what a girl wants, right? So, what I did is I came up with a healthier version of the really indulgent desserts and snacks that you can enjoy at night or at any time of the day when you're craving that little something that is just going to make your whole day or whole night so much better. Last week, I showed you how to make the easiest midnight cravings pizza from literally scratch using any ingredient that you have at home. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe of the most indulgent, richest 1 minute mug cake. Now, this mug cake is egg free, is without white sugar, and believe it or not, it is without milk as well. And to tell you the truth, I actually like this cake a lot better than the one that I make with egg. But as promised, I told you the whole point of these midnight cravings recipes is that you can throw in any ingredient that you have at home and come up with the best version of the most indulgent midnight snacks that you can think of. Now my friend Anisha requested for this video. So Anisha, if you're watching this video is for you. You know what? I'm really sure that you're going to love this recipe. You have no idea how brilliant this tastes. I mean, it just tastes divine, okay? The reason I'm building up all this hype is because it is worth it. So without further ado, let's begin with the 1 minute mug cake that is going to change the game for you. But before that, you know what to do. If you're going to like it, you should put a ring on it. Sorry, bad joke. You know what to do. If you like it, you should subscribe to it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it for the next really indulgent midnight cravings recipe. I make really fun videos of other stuff as well, so you don't really want to miss out on those. So do hit the subscribe button and let's go make some mug cakes. Now, even though I call it a mug cake, I am using this really small microwavable bowl for this video. You can use a mug to make this recipe. It turns out great. Now, first things first, we have mixed 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with a pinch of baking soda and let it rest covered for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to end up with a texture like this with such porous texture. Now in it, we are going to mix 2 tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon of cocoa powder and give it a good mix with a fork. Now I know that traditionally while baking a cake, you mix the liquids first and then the dry ingredients, but it is midnight and you're going to quickly whip up something. So for this recipe, you do not have to worry what goes after what. Next, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of any flavorless oil. Now, you can use milk. I did not have milk, so I used oil. If you're using milk, you do not have to use oil. And the recipe turns even better if you're using milk instead of oil. Now, again, I'm going to give it a good mix. Now you're going to end up with this really rich consistency, after which we are going to add some few drops of hot boiling water into this mixture and mix it again. You know the drill by now. You have to mix this whole cake mixture well to end up with an amazing cake. So mix. Now I'm going to add a few drops of honey into this. Of course, since I want it to be healthy, I'm adding honey. You can also use sugar, anything, honey, sugar, both works. Last but not the least, a bit of baking powder and mixing it for one final time. Now that we have ended up with a texture like this, for the final touch that is going to take the cake to the next level, I'm going to add 2 pieces of Amul dark chocolate just inside the cake and pop it in the microwave in the highest power for a minute. After which, I'm going to end up with a cake that looks exactly like this. Now what you can also do is you can really push the chocolate inside the cake so that when you cut into it, it really melts. But overall, however you use the chocolate, it is going to look like this, and it is going to taste so rich and so yummy that you are just going to eat it up all at once, and that is what you should do. Okay guys, so that was Midnight Cravings episode 2, my mug cake recipe. Go make it, to try it yourself and believe it for yourself how awesome it is. That like button, hit the subscribe button, switch on the bell icon. Why would you want to miss out on great recipes and great videos? I will sincerely look forward to your comments. Until then, take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye.